Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the level of the headlights. So if you have headlights that are pointing too high and they're blinding oncoming traffic, then you can carry out this procedure if you have adaptive headlights. Now this is not the same as coding the adaptive headlights, like when you replace the module or anything like that. This is just changing where the headlights are pointing and registering that. So go to maintenance and then select headlight, and then select BMW, and then select Smart VIN. This is a 2016 BMW 7 Series G12 chassis. Press yes. Then go to special functions, ride height sensors, and it gives you some instructions on how long it will take. Press yes. Press yes. Now what size rims you have on the car is important, so you're going to select that. In this case we got 20-inch rims, so we'll press 4. And make sure vehicle is a normal level. Press yes. Now if the vehicle has air suspension, it will adjust the suspension, and then the service function will automatically continue on the next step, but first it will adjust the ride height to the correct level. Once everything is completed, you should get a message that service was completed. If you get any error codes, make sure you go back to diagnostics, run a scan, read the codes from all the different system control modules, and figure out what is the issue. Sometimes you might have an open circuit or a bad connection or like communication with the headlight module and so on. So but that's it, how you will do the ride height calibration on BMW. I'm sorry, the headlight height calibration on a BMW. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC. You can be the mechanic.